The Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus is Samsung's first wireless earbuds with two-way speakers and an adaptive 3-mic system. These buds have longer battery life and an added mic, and they come in 4 different colors, including black, white, blue, and red. But today, we'll be taking a look at the black one. In the box, there's a USB-C cable to charge it and additional ear tips and hooks. You get 11 hours of usage on one charge and 11 hours from the case, totaling 22 hours, which is for playtime. When the Samsung Buds were released last year, it didn't come with noise cancellation. In anticipation of the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, a lot of us were hoping that it'll feature an upgrade in that aspect, but sadly, it doesn't. And that happens to be a major turn-off for people. Although it does come with noise isolation, which blocks background noise with a seal against your ear, it still doesn't compare to the actual noise cancellation feature. Also, it isn't water resistant, although it can manage the occasional sweat and slight drizzle, in which case you'll still have to dry it up. You need to keep it away from water. Now, to connect the earbuds to your device, which will be using the Samsung S11 Ultra, it just simply connects automatically once it's close to the phone. But alternatively, you can go to Bluetooth, select the AirPods, and just connect. Because this is the first time we're using this earbuds, it's going to take quite a while. You have to allow a couple of things on the device, so yeah, it might take a while to connect, but consequently it's quite easy to connect to your device. Now, these buds cost $149, which is about 54,683 naira. Well, is it a good value? Is it giving you the value of the price you're buying it for? There's only one way to find out, so let's listen to some music. Oh, hi guys. So I have listened to several songs and my judgment is, so at first when you use the earbuds, it kind of sounds like it has a filtery sound. So it's like there's a filter somewhere and you just can't hear all of it, like you're not enjoying it fully. But then you can change the settings with the equalizer setting on your phone. That's if it's a Samsung phone. So yeah, you can change the settings to make it sound, better and make it your taste. So I do believe that you're getting the value of your money back if you buy the earbuds. So I think it's really a good choice, trust me. So that'll be all on today's review. I'll see you guys later. Meanwhile, let me go and listen to more music. Bye.